So, hello everyone. How are you? You good? So let me discuss a little bit what we are starting in this weekend. This is a coffee time, so please come and join me. So in today's issue, I'm going to share you 5 topics as a revision practice. 5 topics on what? On networking. So what is the meaning of networking? What is indie device? What is intermediary device? And what is the meaning of communication protocol and communication media? So please be with me till the end of this video. Before passing to our issue, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So what is the meaning of networking? Networking is a process of interconnecting different kinds of device in order to share resource, data, and information. So in order to share information and data, we should have to connect to the internet. In that sense, you can share your resource and information. That is called networking. And the second thing is that any device. What is the meaning of any device? Simply, any device is a device that can be connected to the network, like your phone or laptop. Your phone or your laptop can connect to the what? To the internet. That is called what? Any device. This any device sometimes act as a starting point and a final destination on network communication. So there is a network communication, and this network communication, this any device play as a starting point and act as destination pointers. So that is called network communication. So in network communication, there are 3 things we're gonna to deal about. The first one is source. The second one is destination. And the third one is communication. So what is source? When you are a source for one file, when you are uploading a file, when you are sending a file, you are a source or you are the one who is starting that process. So source means if you are sender or uploader of that file, it can be a source for what? For that file. And the secondary destination. When you are downloading one video or when you are receiving image from another person, you are a destination for that process. So our process is namely called network communication. So for that network communication, if you are a receiver or if you are downloader or if you are accepting that emails, you can be a destination for that. Okay, this is all about the second one in the devices. Thirdly, we got to pass into about intermediary device. This intermediary device is sometimes called as a network device. So as you know, students have their own materials like exercise book, pen, and the pencil. The same is true for what? Intermediary device. So this intermediary device is sometimes called network device. When you are dealing with the issue of network, wherever you go, whenever you live, there is a device that makes this internet possible. Okay. So there are many kinds of intermediary device such as hub, firewall, router, switch, and the gateway. So let us see one by one. So the first one is NIC. What is NIC? NIC stands for Network Interface Card. What is the meaning of Network Interface Card? It is the hardware components of your computer that is to connect your computer to computer network. Okay. That is called the NIC or Network Interface Card. And the secondary, we pass into a switch. What is a switch? A switch device that is to interconnect various devices in a small business area, such as your computer, printer, and the servers in a small business area. There is a small business area. It is to connect your computer, server, and the printer. That is called what? A switch. And also thirdly, there is router. So router is the best one, the main one, an intelligent device from networking devices that's working by routing, searching, finding, and determining the path to send your file. Which path is good, which way is good, and it's searching and deciding the way that it sends the file for what? For the receiver. That is called the router. So, okay, this is all about what? All about your intermediary device. And thirdly, we're going to pass into communication protocol. Communication protocol, it is the rule. So network communication, it is the rule for governing different kinds of data. So in this network communication, in communication protocol, there are basically 5 functions. These are data formatting, flow control, synchronization, and also data conversion. So when you say data formatting, it ensures how data looks like before send, And secondly, follow control. Follow control, it is due to manage the speed of data between the sender and the receiver. Synchronization means when your data, when your receiver and the sender are working together for one issue as a sender. That is called what? Synchronization. And also data compression. Data compression is what? Minimizing the size of your data in order to send it faster. This is all about your communication protocol. This communication protocol have different language. The first one is HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It's used for web browsing, and also FTP. FTP is used for what? For file transfer. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. And thirdly, we pass in TCP/IP is the main internet communication protocol. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. And fourthly, wireless and Bluetooth. It's used to send wireless data. Okay, that is called what? That is called wireless and Bluetooth. And finally, there is a communication media. Communication media is a path or channel through which data travel between two or more devices over the network. This communication media, sometimes called as what? It is a medium that carries the transmission of data from one place to another. There are two types of communication media. The first one is wired. The second one is wireless. So when we say wired, in wired communication media, data is transferred from one place to another by physical cable. But when we say wireless, this data can be transferred from one place to another by the air using electromagnetic wave. So let me see their example one by one. So in wired communication media, the example, they use cables as we say cable. So there are three cables. The first one is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. So when we say coaxial cable, it is for LAN and the telephone lines. But when you say fiber optic cables, it is line to send high speed of data. When you say coaxial, it is for TV and the CCTV. That is called, that is example of communication media in wire. They use wire, okay? Where when you say wireless, there are four. The first one is infrared. This infrared use TV remote. TV remote can be connected by infrared. Microwave, it is to connect mobile networks. Satellite communication, it is for connecting your GPS. This is all about the revision part for 5 topics such as networking in the device, intermediary device, communication protocol, and communication media. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will see you in the next of my video. Bye bye.